Hello everyone, and welcome back to Warrior Zone, the place where we dive deep into the most advanced military technology and combat systems shaping our world today. In this video, we're going to explore the 5 most advanced military drones that are redefining the battlefield in 2025. From high-altitude surveillance to deadly precision strikes, these unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are no longer just tools of support. They've become frontline warriors in modern warfare. Let's begin with the MQ-9 Reaper, an American drone that has long dominated skies in conflict zones, but now it's been upgraded with cutting-edge technology for 2025. The latest version of the MQ-9 features enhanced endurance, a more advanced sensor suite, and new weapon systems capable of carrying smart bombs and precision-guided missiles. What makes the Reaper stand out is its ability to fly for up to 40 hours, providing both real-time intelligence and instant strike capabilities. It's not just a hunter, it's a persistent guardian that tracks, observes, and eliminates threats with pinpoint accuracy from over 50,000 feet. Next on our list is Turkey's Bayraktar Kızılelma. Unlike conventional drones, this one is a combat aircraft without a pilot. The Kızılelma is capable of conducting air-to-air combat, something unheard of for drones until now. It can reach supersonic speeds and is designed to operate from aircraft carriers, giving navies a powerful, unmanned offensive option. Armed with air-to-air missiles, precision bombs, and advanced radar systems, it can engage enemy fighters and ground targets alike. What makes it truly groundbreaking is its autonomous operational capability, meaning it can carry out missions without human intervention while coordinating with other drones and manned aircraft. Moving forward, let's talk about China's Wing Loong 3, one of the most advanced drones developed by the Chinese military. Designed for both surveillance and precision strikes, the Wing Loong 3 can fly over 12,000 kilometers, covering vast areas without refueling. It can be equipped with various payloads, including surface missiles, guided bombs, and electronic warfare systems. Its AI-powered navigation and target acquisition system allows it to independently identify and lock onto enemy vehicles and command posts. In recent demonstrations, it showcased the ability to coordinate swarm attacks with multiple drones, overwhelming enemy defenses with simultaneous assaults from different directions. At number 4, we have the Russian Orion-2, the heavy-duty UAV of Russia's military arsenal. Significantly larger and deadlier than its predecessors, the Orion-2 offers long-range strike capabilities alongside advanced surveillance. What's remarkable about this drone is its stealth features, making it extremely difficult for enemy radars to detect. With an operational ceiling of over 40,000 feet and an arsenal that includes anti-tank guided missiles and laser-guided bombs, the Orion-2 has become a crucial asset in Russia's military campaigns. It also boasts electronic jamming equipment, allowing it to disrupt enemy communication and radar systems during combat missions. Finally, we arrive at the XQ-58A Valkyrie from the United States, a next-generation unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed to operate alongside fighter jets like the F-35 and F-22. This drone is built for high-speed, high-risk missions without putting pilots in danger. The XQ-58A can be launched without a runway, has a range of nearly 50,000 kilometers, and carries a lethal mix of air-to-ground and air-to-air missiles. Its AI-assisted systems allow it to make real-time decisions on the battlefield, whether engaging enemy aircraft or evading missile attacks. The Valkyrie can fly in formation with piloted aircraft, acting as a wingman or spearheading dangerous missions into hostile territory. This represents the future of manned teaming, making air forces deadlier and more flexible than ever before. In 2025, drones have evolved from basic reconnaissance tools into lethal, autonomous warriors capable of dominating the skies and changing the outcome of conflicts. From America's trusted MQ-9 Reaper to the futuristic XQ-58A Valkyrie, and Turkey's supersonic Kızılelma to China's powerful Wing Loong 3 and Russia's stealthy Orion-2, these advanced UAVs symbolize the new era of warfare. Battles are no longer fought solely by soldiers and fighter pilots. Machines with artificial intelligence and deadly precision are taking the lead. As these technologies continue to advance, the ethical and strategic implications will shape how nations wage war and defend their interests. One thing is clear: in modern warfare, air dominance is no longer just about fighter jets. It's about who controls the most advanced and intelligent drones in the sky. Thanks for watching Warrior Zone. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest military tech and battlefield tactics.